Today, we're diving into 3 fantastic icon packs: 1.7, Darkonis, and Flixy. Each of these packs offers a unique style and a plethora of icons to customize your home screen. Let's explore what makes each one special. (1.7) Icon Pack. 1.7 Icon Pack is designed to give your Android device a sleek and modern look, inspired by the design language of the latest Android operating systems. It features a collection of over 5,000 high-quality icons with a uniform style, ensuring that your app icons are cohesive and visually appealing. The pack also includes dynamic calendar icons, various wallpapers, and regular updates to keep your icons set fresh. It is compatible with most popular launchers, making it easy to customize your home screen. Darkonis Icon Pack. Darkonis Icon Pack offers a deep and rich aesthetic, featuring dark-themed icons that are perfect for users who prefer a more moody and sophisticated look. With thousands of icons in a unique style that blends flat design with subtle gradients, this pack enhances the visual appeal of your Android device. It also comes with matching wallpapers and supports various launchers, ensuring easy integration. Regular updates and the inclusion of alternative icons allow for a personalized touch. Flixy Icon Pack. Flixy Icon Pack is characterized by its vibrant colors and playful design, making it an excellent choice for users looking to add a fun and energetic vibe to their devices. The pack includes a wide range of icons that are designed with a unique flair, ensuring that your home screen stands out. With over 3,000 icons, dynamic calendar support, and a selection of wallpapers, Flixy allows for extensive customization. It is compatible with most popular launchers and is frequently updated, making it a great option for those who love to keep their device looking fresh. Thanks for watching. We hope this breakdown of the 1.7, Darkonis, and Flixy icon packs has inspired you to enhance your Android experience. See you in the next video.